Good morning guys, this is Katie and Happy New Year. It is the 1st of January. We are taking down the decorations today. We are getting ready for the new year, but first we need to get breakfast. Right, so it's the 1st of January today. It's been a lovely little kind of like Christmas time. I haven't filmed since Christmas Eve, but we had a really lovely Christmas day. We went to a little bar that we always go to every year called Fitzgerald's. It has amazing Christmas food. And then we went to another bar that's near here and we had a few drinks and just had a really lovely night, which was fantastic. In between like Christmas Day and New Year's Eve, we chilled out at home, went to a few cafes. We did actually go to the Banksy exhibit. I filmed that and that'll be up next week. And yeah, and for New Year's, we just went to this little like food market area where we live. Like it's not too far from where we live, and we watched the fireworks there and had a few drinks, and it was really a nice little atmosphere, so that was great. But now it is the 1st of January, so I've got a few things to do today. I want to tidy up, I want to get all the decorations down. We've got a few Christmas presents laying around that I need to find homes for. I need to do my nails, so I've still got festive nails. I want to trim my acrylics, and then I'm just going to paint them myself, because before I go back to school I want to get them painted properly for space, because our new topic is space. But I'm going to wait for like next week to do that, and then yeah, just kind of do a few little bits around the house and prepare for the new year. So let's go. Right, so I have finished doing the decorations and now I want to show you my planner. So this is the planner that Callum got me for Christmas. It is the Daily Grind planner. This is actually a planner that was made by someone called Angie Bellamer. I'm not sure how you pronounce the name, but she does like these motivational videos online on YouTube, so search her up. She's fantastic, but she's really good at like breaking down goals, working towards them. The planners actually follow the 4-month year. So there's a book called the 4-month year. Is it called the 4-month year? 12 week. I don't know, 12 year. I don't know what it's called. I'll put the book somewhere on the screen. But I've read it. It's a really good book, and it's talking about how if you have your like yearly goals, but you set it for 4 months, you end up achieving so much more because you're working towards them every single day, rather than giving yourself like a yearly goal, then it comes like November and you're like, oh my goodness, I haven't worked towards that goal at all. So the idea of it, like the concept of it, is that you give yourself 10 goals for the month, or like 10 goals for the 4 months, and then every month you then break that down to 10 goals of the month, and then each day you have to do one thing that moves the needle towards that goal. That's kind of like the basis of what this planner is. I really like it. I'm so excited to use it. I've been following her on YouTube for a while, but she is from Canada, so her like product takes ages to ship here, so I hadn't bought it. Like she released this like a year ago, but I never bought it because it didn't really, I think originally it didn't come to Thailand, but anyway, she changed it so it came to Thailand. Callum got it for me for Christmas, and I'm really excited to use it. So I've done my 4-month plan. I've got a few goals in here. I'm not going to show you all of them just because like they're personal, but let me just show you a few of them. So you have like this 4-month vision, and you can talk about like how it asks like questions like where I am now, what do I want to accomplish, like things like how will I celebrate. So for example, how will I celebrate? We have got some time off in April, so maybe I could go away for some time in April. So here's another one. How can I become more consistent? So I'm going to try and use my planner every day, and then try and wake up before 6 a.m. That's going to be my new target for this month, and let's see if that actually makes a big impact or not. So that's what I can do well. But then it's also like things like where do I waste time? And it's so interesting because it makes you really think. I don't always manage to organize my time properly. And it's something that I've been working on for the last few years. Scrolling, and I'm sure so many of us are guilty of this, just scrolling on Instagram, stuff like that, stressing about stuff, and then sleep. I'm so bad at not getting enough sleep. So those are my things that impact how much work I get done. And then this is my 4-month plan. So you write down your months in here, and then so I haven't written my goals in yet, but you make 10 goals for each month. And then so I've got my month ahead here. I've kind of broken down by subtitles, just a few things in here that I'm going to work towards. And then obviously you've got things like important dates. And I'm really excited. This one, we're going to see a fight night here in Bangkok, but then we're also seeing Billie Eilish in the cinema, which I'm very excited for. So then obviously you break that up into your 10 goals this month. So you've got things like health planner, finances, our blogs, and things that we want to do to work towards them. And I also really like this part down here. First of all, it says, what will I do for me? So things like getting my nails down, taking my decorations down. And then this is my quote. It is the start of a 365-page book. Write a good one. Because it is the first day of the year. So let's make a good one.